Hello friends, today I'm gonna show you how to invite friends in Minecraft PE. To do this, first open the game and then tap on play. And now tap on create new world and tap on create new world again. Scroll down and tap on multiplayer. And make sure this option is allow. And then tap on create. After that, tap on here. And tap on social. And tap on invite to play. If you already added your friend, then you will find a friend list here. Just select your friend and invite them. And after that, ask your friend to accept your invitation and join the game. But if you don't add your friend, then tap here to add your friend. And search for your friend here and add them.